Hi everyone, and welcome to Bright English Point. Today we will talk about Elon Musk. He is famous for his work with Tesla and SpaceX. But he also has a very interesting love life. In this video we will look at his different relationships. We will see the happy times and the hard times he had with love. This video will help you learn simple English while you learn about his story. We will share his life with easy words and clear ideas. Enjoy this friendly look into the personal side of one of the most famous entrepreneurs in the world. Let's begin and learn together. Early love, Justine Musk. Elon was first married to Justine Musk. They met in the early 2000s when Elon was just starting his work in technology and business. Their relationship began with a strong friendship and hope for the future. Justine was a writer who cared a lot about people. She helped Elon as he began to try new ideas. Together, they worked hard and faced many problems. Elon worked long hours to build his career, and this made it hard for him to spend time with his family. While they were married, they tried to build a happy home. They had children and shared many good times. They laughed, celebrated small moments, and learned about love. However, they also had very sad moments. One very sad time was when they lost one of their babies. This loss hurt them deeply and showed them that life is very fragile. They learned that even when you love someone very much, sometimes bad things happen that you cannot stop. As time passed, they found that they had different ideas about life and family. The hard work and long hours made their home life very difficult. They argued many times and could not solve all their problems. Even though they cared for each other, the differences grew too big and they decided to separate. Their divorce was very painful. After the divorce, both Elon and Justine learned many lessons about love, work, and taking care of family. Elon learned that love needs time, care, and balance. Even though the relationship ended, it taught him a lot about how to be a better person in both his work and his life. Their story shows us that every relationship, even a difficult one, can teach us important lessons. During their time together, Elon and Justine shared many moments of hope and dreams. They planned a future where they could build a strong family and support each other's ideas. They often talked about simple things like sharing a meal or reading a book together. Even on hard days, they tried to find moments of laughter and comfort. However, the busy work life often meant that one of them was left alone to handle many problems. There were many evenings when they wished for more time to walk together or talk about their day. This growing distance made them feel lonely even when they were in the same room. Over time, the small issues grew bigger, and they could not fix them by talking alone. They both learned that a good relationship needs not just love but also time and care. Their split was very hard, but it taught both of them many lessons. In the end, they understood that sometimes going separate ways can help each person grow and learn how to love better in the future. 2. A roller coaster romance, Tallulah Riley. After his first marriage, Elon met Tallulah Riley. Tallulah is an actress known for her work in movies and her strong, kind heart. Elon and Tallulah fell in love and got married in 2010. Many people followed their love story because it was very exciting and sometimes full of surprises. Their first marriage had many happy days. They shared smiles, dreams, and many good talks. They supported each other as they tried to follow their dreams. However, they also had many fights. Small disagreements became big problems because of the stress from work and life. In 2012, they decided to get a divorce. This made many people sad because they hoped their love would last. Even after the divorce, Elon and Tallulah did not forget about each other. They felt that their love was still important. In 2013, they decided to try being together again and got married for a second time. This second marriage was not simple. They faced many of the same problems they had before. Every happy moment and every fight was watched by the public and written in the news. The attention from the media made it even harder for them to solve their problems. Their life together was like a roller coaster with many ups and downs. They learned that love can be strong but also very complicated. They both learned that keeping a good relationship needs work, patience, and understanding. Their story shows us that even when two people care a lot for each other, problems can still come up. People who followed their story learned that famous and successful people have the same struggles in love as everyone else. Their journey teaches us that sometimes love is hard, and sometimes trying again does not fix all the problems. Still, each moment, both happy and sad, helped them grow as people. Tallulah and Elon often tried new ways to keep their love alive. They spent time in quiet places, talking about life and their future. They went on walks and dinners where they shared simple joys. Sometimes, when arguments arose, they would take a break and then come back to talk calmly. They learned that both talking and listening are important. Even when the news made their fights seem bigger than they were, they knew that real love needs honesty and effort. They also learned to forgive each other and to work together to solve problems. This period was a lesson in understanding that love can be like a storm, sometimes calm and sometimes wild. Despite many challenges, they kept trying to make things better. Their efforts showed that even if things seem very hard, both people can learn to care more and understand each other over time. Their story reminds us that real love is not perfect, but it is worth fighting for even when life gets complicated. 3. Modern love, Grimes and beyond. Later, Elon began a new chapter with Grimes, a well-known singer and artist. Grimes is famous for her unique music and creative style. When Elon and Grimes started their relationship, many people were very interested. Their love story was different from his earlier ones. It was modern and open, and they often shared their lives on social media. From the start, Elon and Grimes showed their love to the world. They posted pictures and kind messages on Twitter and other sites. They shared their smiles, their fun times, and even their dreams for the future. This made many fans feel close to them. Their way of showing love online was new and exciting. It helped many young people learn that love today can be shared with others in a simple and honest way. They often talked about art, science, and their plans for the future. Grimes brought a new, creative side to Elon's busy life. He learned to enjoy art and to think about different ideas. Together, they worked on projects that mixed work with fun. Their relationship showed that even when you are famous, you can still have a real and caring connection. But being in the public eye also brought many challenges. The media and fans looked at every little detail of their life. Rumors and comments were common, and sometimes these made life very stressful. Some people did not understand their modern way of loving and sharing their lives. Even with all the attention, Elon and Grimes tried very hard to keep their relationship strong by talking about their feelings and supporting each other. As time went on, their modern love grew and changed in many ways. They learned to balance the excitement of sharing their lives online with the need for privacy. They had to decide which parts of their relationship to keep private and which to share with the world. This was not always easy, and sometimes the pressure from social media made them feel overwhelmed. They also found that modern love can change quickly, with trends and opinions coming fast from all directions. Despite these challenges, both worked hard to understand each other and respect each other's wishes. They discovered that clear and kind communication was the key to overcoming misunderstandings. Their love became a symbol of how new technology and traditional feelings can mix in today's world. Even when rumors spread or opinions changed, they learned that trust and care could help them stay together. Their modern relationship shows us that even in a busy, digital world, real love still needs time, honesty, and respect. Elon Musk has had many love stories. His time with Justine, Tallulah, and Grimes shows that love can be hard and full of changes. Each relationship taught him many lessons about life, care, and growing as a person. Love is a journey with both bright and dark days. Thank you for watching Bright English Point. If you liked this video, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share your thoughts about these love stories. We hope you learned simple English and enjoyed learning about the ups and downs of love through Elon's life. Your ideas and comments help us grow and make our videos even better.